Welcome back to the homestead. We're on the Apocalypse Truck project, and as you can see, UPS has been here and we've had a delivery. So we're going to take you through the process of mounting up the tires and show you what they look like on the Apocalypse truck.
So Sue's got her rims all painted. We put new valve stems in. We're gonna walk the rim into the tire machine, put a little soapy goop on the bead, and we're gonna mount these up. We're gonna try some something new on this truck. I've never used them before, but we have some balancing beads we're gonna try. And Sue's gonna want her white letters out, so we're gonna go under just like that. I'm gonna get the tire machine in here. So what I'm going to do here is we have these balancing beads. I'm going to try putting them in now. I think it'll work. So we're going to put half of this, roughly half of this package in this tire. Anybody's ever used these, good or bad, leave us a comment down below. Did not get it down. So when you mount these, you'll see the rim here is wider, and down in here is a hole. So as this starts to go on there, I need to get this bead down in that hole, otherwise it won't go down over this lip. And it's a pretty stiff tire, so I'm actually going to stick this down there, which you normally don't have to do. And then I've got my valve cores in here. You always want to take your valve core out of the rim. It just lets it blow up easier. And I always like to unlock my tire machine before I inflate it, because it's going to make a big pop when it inflates, or it may. And with the tire machine clamped down, that could be a problem. So we're going to run these up to about 35 pounds. We won't really worry about where we're at now. We're just going to put a bunch of air in them. We'll put our valve core back on, and then we'll run them up to 35 pounds. So if you get your valve core ready first, hold it like that. And snug that up. And if you were headed right out, you might want to spray some soapy water and everything, make sure there's no leaks. This project truck probably isn't going to see the road still for several weeks, so we'll find out if we have any leaks anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and mount the other 3 tires. We'll stick them on the truck, and we're going to bring you back in a few minutes to show you what it looks like as we put them on the truck and get it set on the ground. So as you can see, we've got all 4 tires mounted. We've got our beads in there. I'm going to tighten up this tire and then we're going to let it down and see what it looks like. So go ahead and plug your ears. So we'll let it down and see just what it looks like. So I'm going to grab the camera and Sue's going to tell you her thoughts.
So to me it seems just about the right height. I'm actually really pleased with how the wheel tire lift combo came out. I think that it looks really good. It has the aggressive stance that we were going for, and excited to get some different bumpers on here and make this thing look just a little bit more battle ready. So thanks for joining us, and we would really appreciate if you would like and subscribe.